how to back up Android phone to Google Drive. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell to not miss any updates. So today I'm going to teach you how to easily back up Android phone to Google Drive. This is super important to ensure your data is safe, especially if you ever lose your phone. So let's dive right in. First things first, head over to your settings and then scroll down and tap on Accounts and Backup. Now, make sure that you're logged in into your Gmail account, and then here you'll see Backup Data under Google Drive. Tap on it, and here you'll find Backup by Google One. Make sure it is toggled on, then tap on Backup Now. And then your Android phone will start backing up your data to Google Drive. It's as simple as that. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more tips and tricks. Thank you for watching.